Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to check your current Facebook password if you forgot it or just want to view it on your device. So let's get into it. Before anything else, Facebook does not show your password inside the application or website for security reasons. But if your password was saved on your browser or phone, you might be able to view it from your saved passwords. So for that, first, on your phone or computer, open the Google Chrome browser. Now tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. Now go to Google Password Manager. So as you can see, my password has been saved in this section. So tap on facebook.com. Now tap the eye icon to view the password. You may need to enter your phone password, fingerprint or face ID to reveal it. If it's not saved, then your best option is to tap Forgot Password on the Facebook login page and reset it using your email or phone. And yes, that's how you check your saved Facebook password. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and comment below if you want more tutorials on these account recovery tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.